Tools to change subconscious beliefs that limit us. Studies by Dr. Bruce Lipton. Have you ever wondered why you sometimes feel like you're not moving forward no matter how hard you try? The answer could be hidden deep in your mind. Today, in Self-Empower, we will reveal the power of our subconscious beliefs and how they shape our reality in ways we cannot even imagine. Drawing on the studies of Dr. Bruce Lipton, we will explore how the subconscious directs our biology and our lives, and most importantly, how we can transform these limiting beliefs to unleash our true potential. Get ready for a transformative journey into your inner self. And remember, if you like to explore the mysteries of the mind and unlock your maximum potential, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment with your reflections, and hit like to support this content. Let's get started. The power of the subconscious first. Let's delve into Bruce Lipton's claim that our subconscious beliefs are the primary driver behind our biology and how we live our lives. With a subconscious that is 1,000,000 times more powerful than our conscious mind, let's discover how these often invisible beliefs are controlling us without us realizing it. This subconscious domain orchestrates most of our daily actions, decisions, and emotions automatically, operating under the radar of our consciousness. Through examples and studies, we show how these deep programming influences everything from our simplest life choices to the decisions that define our future. By understanding the magnitude of its impact, we can begin the path towards self-discovery and personal transformation, thus unlocking the potential for a fuller, more satisfying life. This understanding opens the door to exploring effective methods to consciously reprogram our subconscious, allowing us to change not only how we perceive ourselves, but also how we interact with the world around us. Let's examine why, without a clear understanding of these beliefs, we fight against ourselves on our path to success and happiness. This internal conflict arises because many of our beliefs were established during our childhood and adolescence, stages in which we absorb the vision of the world around us without a filter. These beliefs become incontestable truths that guide our decisions and actions, often without us being aware of them. However, not all of these beliefs are positive or even true. Some may be based on fears, insecurities, or negative experiences that, in the long term, prevent us from reaching our full potential. By identifying and questioning these limiting beliefs, we can begin to dismantle the self-sabotaging mechanisms that hold us back, thus opening the way to a life richer in personal achievement and satisfaction. This process of self-inquiry and transformation is essential to freeing ourselves from the invisible chains that bind us to patterns of thought and behavior that no longer serve us. Transforming our beliefs. Let's explore the healing toolbox of energy psychology, presenting a variety of techniques that can help reshape our limiting beliefs. We highlight how the effectiveness of these techniques depends on the desire to change and how there is no one-size-fits-all approach. This journey towards personal transformation leads us to understand that each individual is unique, with their own experiences, perceptions, and deep-rooted beliefs. Therefore, the change process must be personalized, respecting the uniqueness of each person. Tools include hypnosis, conscious repetition, energy psychology, and the impact of traumatic or significant events on reprogramming our subconscious beliefs. Each technique offers a different path towards the same goal, freeing ourselves from the chains of limiting thoughts and behaviors that prevent us from living fully. By delving into these methodologies, we emphasize the importance of conscious practice and repetition, as well as openness to experiences that can challenge and expand our current perception of the world. This process is not only about changing beliefs, it is about opening ourselves to a new horizon of possibilities, where personal freedom and growth are infinite. With determination and the right tools, each of us has the power to reshape our reality, turning limitations into shuttles toward our dreams and aspirations. The 4 processes of change hypnosis. Hypnosis can reprogram our subconscious, especially during the first years of life and in moments before sleeping and waking up. This altered state of consciousness opens us to positive suggestions that can sow the seeds of change, helping us overcome fears, insecurities, and negative thought patterns that we have accumulated over the years. Repetition. the importance of conscious repetition and creating habits to install new subconscious programs. This process involves the continuous practice of positive affirmations, visualizations, and new behaviors that over time become our second nature, replacing old limiting patterns. Energy psychology. Super learning techniques can quickly alter our limiting beliefs. These techniques harness the brain's ability to rewire itself, offering a direct path to personal transformation by aligning our beliefs with our desires and goals. High-impact events. Traumatic or significant experiences can be opportunities to quickly rewrite our beliefs. These critical moments in life confront us with our deepest truths, challenging our perceptions and offering us the possibility of adopting a new perspective that promotes our growth and well-being. By understanding and applying these 4 processes of change, we can begin a transformative journey towards self-actualization. This journey not only allows us to reprogram our subconscious to overcome limitations, but also opens us to a fuller and enriching life, where we are the true architects of our destiny. With patience, practice, and persistence, anyone can turn their limiting beliefs into powerful catalysts for change, thus unlocking the limitless potential that resides within each of us. The final key: be present. The importance of presence is the last element for an effective transformation of our subconscious beliefs. Being fully present allows us to tune in to the here and now, recognizing and releasing those patterns from the past that no longer serve us. This mindfulness gives us the clarity and focus needed to observe our reactions, thoughts, and emotions without judgment, easing the path to conscious change. By cultivating presence, we give ourselves permission to live more authentically and aligned with our true aspirations, opening the doors to a life transformed by the power of the present moment. This practice, beyond being a tool for changing beliefs, becomes a way of life, propelling us towards a full and conscious existence. Conclusion. In Self-Empower, we have explored how our subconscious beliefs dictate the direction of our lives, and we have discovered the tools to change those that limit us. Let us remember that we are not victims of our circumstances, but of the programs we run in our subconscious. By aligning our subconscious programs with our conscious desires, we can live a full and satisfying life. If this journey towards change resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave your impressions in the comments, and like the video for more content that transforms your life. Until next time, self-empower.